If he doesn't hit the freeway, probably Oracle or First, maybe Long River, somewhere around there. I see there's enough somewhere. Temp where they lost the target vehicle, and survey wasn't overhead yet, so they're still pinging it, but they lost the visual on it, so we're setting up bullseyes to see if we can find it coming back to the house. If you do pull a traffic stop on it, the plan is to, if it takes off, it's easy for it to fly it. We're going to book it, especially if it's overhead.
True crime.
If it is not overhead, follow for as long as you can safely so we can get to the overhead. It's a 2017 Range Rover Sport. It's a greenish blue-gray in color. Copy temp tag. So I guess for the last resort, you guys stage right there for the entrance to his neighborhood and stop him there, I guess, if we don't get any stop on him before.
All right, they reacquired the vehicle. Everyone get back to your position for the warrant.
Oh, you got some CID guys coming up to the house right now.
Yeah, they're with us, but I'll give you the go-ahead when CID can come up and we can do a walkthrough. So just stand by for now. All right, anyone on the patrol side that's blocking roads, there are going to be people coming through now, and they're good to go. We are expecting some FBI vehicles to be coming in.
What about opening some of the other neighborhood roads up to neighbors or anybody?
I just say stand by for now.
Sure. 3 of our vehicles coming through.
FBI on the way. FBI.
Audio.
After seeing their little scheming operation today, counter surveillance would surprise me. And when Alicia called it out, I think the Audi was already on scent last night.
One detained.
One detained for me.
On side 3, we have an open door which looks like it goes to a hot water heater, but it's more like a room. We have a little alcove where the pool pump is. If the entry team wants to move away from the number 3 side, we can take this area. Sutherland Hughes, we're foot 4 over here by the pool pump and the hot water heater. Sutherland Hughes. Sutherland Hughes, did you guys go to the courtyard that led out to the northwest? All right, Ted, we're going to damage this gate if we do. 3 and 4, that's my echo. 3, 4, 4, 4. My radio's going out.
We don't know that that's exactly what they're looking into, but that was what we saw on his shirt at least. That's, again, that Chevy Tahoe that's in the middle there, the silver one. It looks like he parked there, and then they all took out some kind of equipment.